Hello guys, welcome to Easy Web Dev. So today I am going to show you how to make stacking divs whenever we scroll it. So as you can see, whenever we scroll down, the image stacks over each other, and whenever we scroll up, this again slides over each other. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I am going to show you how the scrolling look with stacking effect and without a stacking effect. So without stacking effect, we will see that it will be next over each other, and when I enable stacking effect, it will stack over each other whenever we scroll. So let's get started. So I have basic boilerplate in which there is index.html and style.css. Now I will link my style.css, and in style.css I have reset my default styles. So now inside body tag I will create a div with the class of tile, and now I am going to copy it 4 times, so there will be 5 tiles. Now I will write text so that we can differentiate between all of them. Now I am going to open it with live server. So as you can see, all are one below each other. Now in style.css I will give my body a width of 100 view width and minimum height of 100 view height. So minimum height is very important, because if we give height only, these all 5 divs will take the whole height and we will not able to do the stacking effect. So now I am going to grab every tile using nChild property. So for that I will write dot tile colon nth child 1, and I copy it 4 times. Now for first child I will give a custom property of dash dash clr and give it a yellow color, and for second child I will give a same custom property clr but give it a orange color. Now for third child I will give that clr custom property the color of lime, color of pink. Now fourth child will contain color of Rebecca purple, and fifth child will get the custom property CLR of crimson. Now I am going to style my tile. For that I will give it a background color and use variable .clr. So we can see that we have only 2 colors. Sorry, I have not written 4 and 5. So now we can see, and also will be dash dash clr. So now we will see all our div have their respective background color. Now I will give each tile a width of 100% and a height of 100 view width. So as you can see, all are one below another. Now I will give the font size of 5 rem so you can see what's text written, and I will give it and I am going to display it grid and place item center. This will center whatever content we have into the center of the divs. So as you can see, all 5 divs are one below each other. Now I'm going to give it the position of sticky, and this is the trick to make any div stacking, and give it a top of 0. So what position sticky will do, uh, it will not go beyond top sticky, it will stick at top 0. So that's how we will make our stacking divs. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you learn something, please share it with everyone. Hope you will like it. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.